Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Thankfully not in Doral, the Wolves. I don't think anyway. As we check in, great shot there. And of course, we're going to name them all year. We've got another one coming up next month. 71 degrees right now in Miami, 70s generally. So patchy fog is a potential for tonight. We're going to watch that closely overnight. Dense fog advisory may be issued tomorrow morning. Lisette will tell you about that. Next cold front, though, moves in tomorrow. Warm and humid today. So that's going to be the boundary that brings us back to refreshingly cool temperatures. Not a big chill coming up here over the next couple of days. And of course, when you get a front, sometimes they have enough moisture to bring us a few showers, and this one will have that. Right now, pretty quiet, though, across South Florida. There's the boundary there. It is ahead of this area of low pressure. The low itself, which has really the oomph of the energy here, that's going to go northeast. But we do get the front, the tail end of it, and that'll be enough to bring us a few showers. And those will come in through the day tomorrow. So we'll have a potential foggy start. Some areas may, have reduced visibilities, like big time. So we'll have to watch that closely. And then I think we're just kind of socked into clouds tomorrow. It's going to be a mostly cloudy day. It's going to be more bark than bite, really, because it's not going to rain all that heavily. A few showers. I'll show you that on Next Weather Rain Tracker. But that is the setup for tomorrow. Much nicer, sunnier day coming up for not just Wednesday, but through the end of the week. We'll get a little bit cooler, particularly overnight. And then we're going to start a warming trend all over again heading into the upcoming weekend. If you prefer 80s, that is back for Saturday and Sunday. So here is Next Weather Rain Tracker for tomorrow. You see the morning commute, not an issue, but we have clear skies and we have light winds and a lot of humidity. And so you combine all those things, and that's the ingredient. Those are the ingredients there for some patchy fog. So we'll watch that. I mean, you blink, you miss it. These are just a few isolated showers coming in on the front. I think, again, mainly tomorrow, the theme will be clouds, not so much rainfall here, but they will kind of just lock us in. It's going to be overcast, not pretty at all. And then Wednesday, we clear the cloud cover and we'll set up for a much nicer day. Coming up on the beach, not a great beach day by any means here. Rip currents are high, and the sky is just going to be one of those deals where you're not going to want to be out in the sand. Let's check in on the small craft advisory. Those winds are going to be a little bit gusty there, so the potential there for some bumpy water. So we'll watch that. Otherwise, no alerts for the Florida Keys right now. Look at these overnight temperatures. This is mild stuff coming up. We've had highs this cool, so now we're looking at lows not dipping below 65. You get an east wind, you get it off the water, south wind, anything that has an onshore component from the Atlantic or the Gulf will get us warm. 70s for tomorrow, but we'll do that again with mostly cloudy skies throughout the day, and we'll have that rain chance. I think about 20% would be just about as high as we're going to give it a chance here for rainfall. And mid-70s for Wednesday. We're looking at low 70s coming up for Thursday, so no big changes here, but notice the overnight temperatures dip a little bit. That's comfortable. Upper 50s to lower 60s. We've kind of acclimated to that, so not a big deal. And then if you prefer the warm temperatures, they're back in a hurry. 60s for overnight temperatures. Some areas like down in the Keys may not go below 70 for Saturday night, and then highs back in the 80s for the weekend. And we will be right back.